So I'm working on a 95 Ford V8, running rough after they threw the parts can in at it multiple times. I've got a rotkee probe right here on the wire from the coil, sync on number 1 right there. I'm using the MT Pro from Joe, and it has a secondary, basically computer program on this scope to show me exactly everything that's going inside. So I can go up to here. You can see I snap throttled at 4100 RPM. I can go down here and roll back and move it that way and that way, or at least I could a moment ago. And pretty awesome stuff.